Hey guys, in this video tutorial we're going to look at how we can take our top ZIPS export once it's inside of Excel and dive a little further into the data. So when you open your file, it's going to default to this view. This is the raw data underneath. So you have a lot of options here, and it's a little bit of an eyesore in this format, but you can easily sort this out most easily with a pivot table. So what I want you to do is we can select all of our data. We're going to insert a pivot table. And we're going to look at a couple quick ways you can now analyze this. So the first one we're going to look at is dealer sales by zip. So who is selling in what zip? So to do this, you're going to take zip, drop it into your rows. You'll take site name, drop it underneath your zip, and then take units sold as your value. So you're now looking at, in this zip, these dealers sold this amount. And if you pull this report where it's multiple months, you can take your months and drop that into your columns and break it out over whatever time frame that you've chosen to pull. So that's one way to look at it. Another way we can look at is nameplate sales by zip. So to accomplish this, we would simply remove site name and take our model and drop the model underneath the zip. So now we're looking at model sales by zip over the course of 6 months in this case. So that's another way. You can combine the two if you wanted to see a little more understanding. So you could take your site name and put that on top of model. So now you're looking at dealer A sold these vehicles in this zip for these 6 months. If you wanted to isolate a particular dealer's sales, take site name up into your filter, deselect everybody, go ahead and select who you're wanting to look at. We'll look at dealer D in this case, and your chart will repopulate with what that specific dealer sold in those zips over the time frame. If you wanted to do a comparison between two dealerships, you can come back here, select another dealer. So maybe we'll go dealer B. And once you've selected that, just take your site name. We're going to lose a month because this is going to get big, but take your site name, drag it over into columns. So now you're looking at, in this zip, dealer B sold 5, dealer D sold 6, and the total between the two. By nameplate, you just wanted to roll it up and look at a zip level, you can do that as well. So those are kind of 4 quick looks at how you can take this top ZIPS export, manipulate it, and do a little further analysis on your own, and we hope that helped.